This video will focus on the process of registering for classes. If you need help searching for classes to sign up for, you want the video called Searching for Courses on TigerWeb. A few notes before we dive in. TigerWeb can have issues with the Safari browser. We recommend either using Chrome or Firefox. You also want to be aware of how many other people are trying to register at the same time you are in your dorm. If you can use an Ethernet cable rather than Wi-Fi, you'll have an edge on your competition. You could also get up a little early and get yourself to an academic building where the Wi-Fi won't be so crowded. One major issue students run into with not being able to add classes is if they have a hold on their account. This is usually due to an unpaid balance or to parking tickets. To check if you have a hold, go to the Student tab and you'll have an alert right here that you have a hold. It's a good idea to go ahead and check this early because you want to call this number here and get it settled as quickly as possible. Next, registration opens for students based on credits. The windows for registration are posted here, again under the Student tab in TigerWeb. This is completed credits, including transfer credits, but the ones you're enrolled in right now do not count. If you have any questions about when you'll register, you can ask your advisor. Speaking of advisors, remember that you need your advisor to clear you for registration. Each advisor has different requirements in order to clear you. Be absolutely certain before the morning you register that you're cleared. You will not be able to add classes if you haven't been cleared. This is what it looks like when you have not received clearance. It says you need to get registration clearance, see your advisor. When they clear you, this message comes off. If the only alert you have before your window is open is the add drop period is closed, you will be good to go as soon as your registration window opens. If you have any other messages here, you need to take care of that or you will not be able to add classes. One tool I want you to know about as you get ready to register is this page here. The easiest way to find it is just to Google HSC Major Checklist, and it'll pop right up. Here you can find checklists for the core requirements and the major and minor requirements for all of the programs that we offer. We also have this worksheet here, which looks like this, and it has spaces for all of the information you could need to sign up for these classes quickly. It also has places for backup courses. You won't necessarily get everything you want, so it's a good idea to have a plan for if things don't go your way for a certain class. As you're planning, pay special attention to the seats available number as you're prioritizing which classes to grab first. You have a lot of other people trying to sign up for classes at the same time you are. You want to go for the most in-demand classes first. In the course search, you can see how many seats are still available in the course. It's counterintuitive. A lot of students read this as the number of students who are already enrolled, but it's the number of seats still open in the class. So a low number like this one is a class that's in demand, and you should sign up for that first. A number like this one, that is less likely to fill up, and you should prioritize other classes over that one. Today I'll be showing you the general process of registering, but unfortunately registration is closed as I'm making this video. But I'll walk you through the basic process. So we'll go to the Student tab and click Add Drop Courses. We're going to start with the slow way to do things. Here you are going to go through adding by course search. So you go ahead and search. It will show you the page where you have been looking for classes. And when registration is open, there will be a clickable box right here. You'll just go through, click the boxes of the courses you want to add, and scroll down to the bottom and click Add Courses. It's important to note that if a course has a co-requisite, you need to be careful to add them both at the same time. So for example, this Bio 110 class has a co-requisite of Bio 151. If you only click Bio 110 and add that, it won't register. You need to click Bio 110 and Bio 151 and then go down and click Add Courses. So once you go through and add them, it'll take you to this page. And if there was an issue with adding the class, maybe it filled up, maybe there was a conflict in your schedule, it'll give you an error message right here. If you don't have an error message right here, you scroll down and you will see the courses that it added for you. You'll also have an option when registration is open to drop the class from here in case you need to adjust your schedule to fit other courses. Then you just repeat that process until you have your full schedule. So that was the slow way. Let's look at how to do this faster. Before registration opens up, you're going to make a list of all the classes that you want and their reference number. You can find the reference number by clicking the red link from here. This will give you the course information page. If you want more details about the information included on this page, you can look at the video about searching for classes. But for our purposes, what we're looking for is this 5-digit reference number. So you make a list of the classes and their reference numbers for all of the classes you want. Then, when registration opens up, you'll click this Add by Reference tab. You'll be able to put all of the reference numbers from your various courses into these boxes, and then you'll click Add Courses, and it will add all of the courses at the same time. If there was an issue with adding any of them, they were full, there was a conflict in your schedule, then you'll get an error message here. But it will also register you for all of the other courses that did not have an error. So you'll be able to see which courses were added down here below. Again, you'll be able to click those drop buttons if you need to move things around, which really underlines why we have so many spaces for backup spots for alternative classes. So if you have any questions about registering, you can always contact your advisor or the Office of Academic Success. Good luck registering, and may the odds be ever in your favor.